Hello friends, hi, I am Gaurav. Today we are going to explain you the various functions of Glen built-in dishwasher 7735M. So let's start with the control panel. Starting from left, power button. It is for turning on the dishwasher and the display will light up too. Dual zone wash function. Press the button to select either upper basket or lower basket and the indicator will light up. Delay. It is to set the delayed hours for washing. The delay can be set up to 24 hours. One press delays the start of washing by 1 hour. Child lock. This allows to lock the button on control panel. To activate, press Alt plus delay button for 3 seconds. To deactivate, repeat the same. On the right, first one is program. This is to select the right washing program. The selected product indicator will light up. Let's understand the programs one by one. Glass. For washing glass crockery, 90 minutes. For normal soiled utensils that needs quick wash. Rapid, a shorter wash for lightly soiled utensils that do not need drying. Soak, to rinse dishes that will be washed later. Auto, for washing light, normal or heavy soiled crockery with or without dried on food. Intensive, for washing heavily soiled crockery, pots, pans, etc. with dried on food. Normal, for normal soiled pots, plates, glasses and lightly soiled pans. Eco, this is the standard program suitable for normal soiled pots and pans. This is top spray arm, sprays water on the utensils from the top. This is cutlery rack, an additional drawer for cutlery. Upper basket or cup shelf for loading delicate crockery, glass and plastic items. This is inner pipe, lower spray arm, salt container to fill in salt. Lower basket, idle for loading large utensils like pots, pans, cooker, dinner plates, kadhai. This is detergent dispenser. It dispenses detergent that helps in rinsing dishes. This dishwasher comes with 14 plate setting. There are some points to keep in mind while loading the utensils. Only put those utensils that are dishwasher safe. Always scrape off leftover foods before loading the utensils in the dishwasher. Make sure to put the utensils in their respective baskets. Warning indicators. Rinse it. If this indicator is lit, it means that you need to fill the dishwasher rinse. Salt. If this indicator is lit, it means that salt needs to be refilled. Here are some maintenance tips. After every wash, turn off the water supply to the appliance and leave the door slightly open. Before cleaning or performing any maintenance, always remove the plug from the socket. Do not use any abrasive products for cleaning the dishwasher. Just use a damp cloth. Ensure that there are no food particles trapped in the seals as they will cause odor. I hope friends, the information given in this video will provide helpful to all of you. In case of any assistance, please call us on 9717156666.